Do you want to book more calls with those warm leads who left halfway through your perfect webinar? Over the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to use a fast funnel retargeting ad to get those warm leads booking in calls with you without actually needing to fill out a long application or go through a complicated funnel. Want my fast funnel ad template so you can turn your warm leads into book calls? If you drop the word fast below, I can send this over to you. Hi, I'm Tina Sanford and I'm the founder of tinasanford.com. Now, since 2020, I've specialized in advertising for businesses worldwide and I've focused on highly effective low-cost video ads. Now, I did retire in 2010, but at the moment I'm here to help you to leverage video ads to grow your business and free up your time. So let's talk about a big problem that kills conversions in most sales funnels right now. It's like you have warm leads in your audience, a lot of them, but maybe they're not booking in calls with you. Now, we've got to remember, these are people who already know you. They've seen your content, they've watched your videos. Maybe they've even opted in for a lead magnet or two. And in theory, they should be ready to take that next step with you, but they just don't. Now, we find that most business owners are trying to fix this by sending out more email sequences, posting more content, or just tweaking their sales funnels. And they're assuming their leads need more nurturing. But here's the truth. It's likely the issue isn't that they need more content. It just could be that the process to book in a call feels like way too much effort. Take a look at your funnel and see. But this is why the fast funnel retargeting ads actually work so well. Because instead of asking your warm leads to jump through all those hoops to book in a call with you, this method is what makes it totally frictionless for them. Now, here's how it works. Instead of sending them through that long form application, this ad simply asks them to comment or to send you a direct message to start a conversation with them. Now, this instantly creates that engagement, and it's what allows you to book in calls in a more natural conversational way, which is what people are looking for right now. The best thing is as well, it actually leverages social proof, because when people see others engaging, they're much more likely to take the action too if they were unsure. Now, if you want my fast funnel ad template so you can actually start booking warm leads into calls without a complicated funnel, just drop the word fast below and I can send this over to you. Now, with this simple strategy, you'll be able to start converting your warm leads that you've already paid for into clients instantly without them needing to go through that long multi-step process.